Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to prepare prawn ghee roast. This is one of my favorite recipes and I'm excited to share with you. This recipe is made with ghee and freshly grounded spices and it's a very tasty recipe. I have listed the ingredients in the description below. Now let's get started with the process. As a first step, let's marinate the prawns. For that, I have taken 200 grams of prawn. To this, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of fish curry masala powder, little salt, half a juice of lemon. Now let's mix well with your hands. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Let's roast the ingredients to make the masala paste. Set a pan on a high flame and heat it well. Once the pan is heated, lower the flame. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 3 to 4 red chillies. Let's roast them on a low flame until fragrant. Cool down the spices. Meanwhile, I have soaked cashews in water. Now transfer them to a mixie jar. Add a few cloves of garlic and cashews and add little water. Let's grind them to a fine paste. Now to make ghee roast, let's take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is heated, let's add the marinated prawns into the pan. Saute them well for about 3 minutes. Not fully cooked, let's just off cook it. Make sure that you don't overcook the prawns or else they will turn rubbery. Don't add water in the prawn as they release water. You can filter the water and use in the next step. Now that the prawn has soft cooked, now let's move on to the next stage. In a pan, let's add 3 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's heated, let's add the masala paste that we made earlier and cook it on a medium flame. Now let's stir the paste continuously until it gets darkens and ghee has been separated. This process will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's add the prawns. And cook it well. It will take about only 5 to 6 minutes. Taste for the salt and adjust accordingly at this stage. Remember, we have already added salt earlier during marination process. Now as a final touch, let's add curry leaves. Now our prawn ghee roast is ready to be served. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!